Watch the video at your own risk. Eat whatever I'm cooking today at your own risk. Today I'm gonna make the hottest chicken curry in the world. And on this journey, you will be in company of one of the hottest chefs that ever existed on the internet. So if you're not faint-hearted, then join me and let's prepare angry chicken curry. For the angry chicken curry, first I'll start off with the marination. For that, first I'm gonna add turmeric powder, green cardamom powder, black pepper powder, salt, and last, oil. Now let's mix the chicken properly with the marination. Remember, whenever you're making a curry dish, always use curry cut chicken. Never use boneless pieces. The juice of the bone gives the flavor to the dish. I'm going to let my chicken rest for 20 minutes. By that time, let's start with the gravy. First, I'm going to take a pan and then oil. Now I'll start with the khada masala, also known as whole masalas. First, I'm going to add 2 bay leaf, 3 to 4 green cardamom, few pieces of black peppercorn, cumin seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks and few pieces of cloves. Mix the khada masala well and wait till the cumin crackles. As the cumin starts crackling, now I'm going to add 2 chopped onions. Now I'm going to cut the star ingredient of the dish, that is ghost chili, which is also known as bhoot jolokia. And guys, remember, while handling this chili, be very careful because this is one of the hottest chili in the world. Now let's cut them into 2. Now I'm going to put the chili in the pan and cook the chili with the onion till onion get nicely translucent. In 2007, Bhoot Jolokia earned its place in Guinness Book of World Record as the hottest chili of the world, and it is 170 times more spicier than Tabasco sauce. As my onion are getting golden brown, now I'm going to add the chicken to the masala. After adding chicken, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. With that, also I'm going to add greens of spring onions. Saute the chicken well till ginger garlic loses its rawness. At this stage, now I'm going to add 2 chopped tomatoes. Mix the tomato with the chicken. And to add more spiciness to the gravy, first I'm going to add red chili, then green chili slice. Saute them well till tomato loses its rawness and it gets nicely mushy. As the tomato gets nice and mushy, now I'm going to add the masalas. First, I'm going to add red chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, add curry powder. Guys, I have already shared you my homemade curry powder recipe in the Parmesan chicken fingers. You can take it from there. And last, cumin powder. Saute the chicken till the rawness of the masala goes away. And also to add little richness to the gravy, I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd. Now let's mix it up with the chicken. This will give good richness to the gravy. With this, now I'm going to add chopped coriander. Mix nicely. Now I'm going to add water to the curry. Mix the water properly with the masala. And now I'm going to add little salt to taste and teaspoon of black pepper. After adding seasoning, I'm going to give a nice big stir to the chicken. Close the pan with the lid and let the chicken cook for at least few minutes. Our angry chicken curry is now ready. Isn't it looking angry? Now let's start with the plating. For the garnish, I'm going to add chopped coriander, fresh chili flakes. There you go, our hottest chicken curry of the world is now ready. Enjoy it with nice fulkas, tandoori roti and jeera rice. Well, the temperature inside the kitchen is too hot to handle. Of course, because of my hotness. But little credit goes to the hottest chicken curry in the world. Do try making it, but at your own risk. So, till next time, this is Chef Pratik signing off. Take care and goodbye.